Where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. And if you are new here, welcome. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, because today I have another infamous, y'all, Manny's trying to do these pickups for these thumbnails. Another Skims unboxing. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and just see what I picked up from Skims, make sure you go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have not hit that notification bell yet, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but you definitely don't want to miss when I'm uploading these videos, because of course, as you can see, I'm in my new space. I'm being more consistent, and guys, your girl got some goodies coming for y'all, so you don't want to miss them. Make sure you, well, if you have not hit that thumbs up button or that notification bell, make sure you go ahead and just hit that right now, because you're going to like this video and you don't want to miss when I'm uploading these videos. And make sure you guys are commenting, sharing, all that good stuff, because that's going to be how I continue to grow here on this platform. Without further ado, we're going to just jump right to the video. So as I explained in the previous video, I'm just batch filming today, so I'm not sure which video is going to go first. This one may be first, so I don't know. If this one's first, disregard that comment. But anywho, I did pick up some items from Skims. I haven't shopped with them in a very long time, but I wanted to definitely go ahead and just pick up some pieces from them. So I will go ahead and just show you what I got. So first things first, Skims, it just comes in the box, as you can see. I was in the market for more loungewear because, guys, I just lounge. I don't do anything else, unfortunately. So the first piece that I picked up is actually from the Skims, I want to say it's called the Waffle collection. And here it is here, y'all. So here are the pants right here. They're just really soft, really comfortable feeling. They don't feel like your average waffle type pant. So if you guys are aware, like when you buy those, like that material that's kind of like, I don't know, at Walmart or something, it's not this. This is definitely very much more elevated. Let me see if I had a receipt in here so I can see how much. I don't know, I had a prices and everything listed below, but I more so just want to come to you and give an opinion. I watched a lot of videos on these and there were mixed reviews. Now I will say that on me, and I'll start to insert the clips here in just a second. You'll see that on me, this particular pant was fine. I don't know, people were saying it was too long in the torso area. I don't know if it was because those people were relatively thin, but honestly, I mean, I don't have that, I didn't have that experience, and I honestly don't think I've seen anybody with a review that did not say about, think about it being very long in that area. I don't think it's too long at all. So it really just depends on how you want to wear your clothing, I will honestly say. But I think that the fit of these are really good. I really like them. I love the color. I think it looks really good, up against my skin tone. It's like one of those really nice, it's a good nude. So I really do appreciate this. Yeah, so that is the first item that I got. These are the pants, and I'll have the prices again down below. Oh, and I got these in a size large. That was another thing. People were saying that the sizing was off, and I'm like, oh, it was? I didn't even notice. Okay, so then I also, of course, you guys, I had to get the shirt to match, because that's just the politically correct thing to do. And I haven't even opened this shirt, so let's go ahead and see. And I'm gonna be putting this stuff on for the first time today too, so you know how that goes. Oh, wait. Oh, the shirt that I got was some kind of, I thought I got the waffle shirt, y'all. I got a t-shirt. I got a t-shirt, which this is cool. This is actually my judge. I love, this is very soft. The material, Skims makes really nice feeling, nice quality material pieces. I will say that. But guys, so, oh, they even had a little Skims on the tag. Oh, that's cute. I really did think, even though it does match, it just looks really good together. And I still am gonna wear this together. And I'm wearing mine outside. I don't know what people be talking about. It's indoor, but this is getting worn to the grocery store. But yeah, so this is really cute. I really like this. I'm excited to try this on. And like I said, you will see in the clip how it ends up looking once I do try it on. But yeah, this is fine. I didn't know. It's so funny. I had no idea though. I don't know why the whole time I've been thinking I got the waffle top. But this is also, no, this is in a size extra large. I could have honestly went for a large just by looking at it because it's real big, but I'm an oversized girl. Like I said, I'm cool with comfy. I love things that are kind of oversized or has like looseness to it. That's me. So with that being said, yeah, so this is the top that I picked up. So yeah, like I said, really pretty nude. And I think the price point on this, I don't know, it might have been a kind of expensive now that I think back on it, because I feel like my order came in like $150, y'all. But I really do like that. I think it's really cute. And like I said, I'll have to definitely see, you know, I definitely think I could have did a large in it, but this is how it looks. And then lastly, it's a bra, and I don't think I'm putting this on, y'all. But I heard good reviews about the Skims bras, so let's just see. We gonna see. We gonna take it out the pack for the first time. Now, what bra did I get? Oh, I don't think, y'all. So I got this bra in a extra large. I don't think my chest is gonna fit in this. We'll see. I don't know, it may. So it's like this, okay, so the bra has like this mesh part in the inside, which I don't know, I think I just was buying anything that was in stock, to be completely honest. Cause I'm like, wait a minute, this is not, okay. All right, so let me see. I'll go ahead, I'm gonna try this bra on, but I'm gonna just keep it on under the top so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. And actually what I'll do is, instead of doing side by sides, I'll just, cause I'm honestly, I haven't tried this stuff on, so I'll just try this stuff on at the end and just kind of like insert a clip at the end of how everything looked, you know, once I tried it on, make everything a lot easier. Okay, so yeah, but this is this bra. I think this was like $30-something. I don't remember. The bra was like bra pricing, so it wasn't anything crazy. I do like how it feels. It's like one of those, it's a real nice stretchy material. I definitely think, you know, it may fit. It may just be the way it looks on, but I love how it has the low plunging V. I don't really have anything right now that fits me well, that has this type of style. I just hope it has some support because my chest has gotten a little bigger. So yeah, but with that being said, yeah, this is it. This is the bra piece, and I will just go ahead now and we'll go into the try on portion of the video. Okay guys, hopefully you can see me all the way. I'm not sure, but here's the top. Love the top. I love the way this top feels. This top is so cozy. Like, I love it. As far as the pants, I love these too. No, let's talk about the bra. Okay guys, and then as far as the bra, as soon as I like bent down, my chest came clean out of this bra. So I don't know what that was supposed to be doing, but the pants though, love the pants. I love the pants. I mean, yes, it is a little long in here, but nothing too long for me. I just think these fit so comfortable. I can't wait to just wear this whole little outfit out, like I said, to go run some errands. I just think this is just super cool, and this is cozy. This is really a cozy fit. So I definitely say if you were in the market for some Skims and you just want elevated loungewear. Of course, you can't get loungewear from anywhere, but it's definitely, you can tell that this is a little different of a quality of loungewear. And I just love how these sleeves, I didn't even realize that the sleeves were just like open like this. I like that. It gives it an extra level of comfort. So I'm all for that. The bra, that bra is like, honestly, I may just go ahead and kind of show you for this, but this is the bra. And like I said, if I've been down, my chest does protrude out of it. So I didn't adjust it, so I may just have to play with it, adjust it a little better, but for the sake of this video, just was trying to just kind of get a feel for what it looked like. So here it is, guys. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or anything. Comment it down below. Just let me know if you have tried Skims, how you feel about the brand as a whole. And if you have any of these pieces, let me know. Let's talk about it. Other than that, this is the end of the video. I want to say thank you guys so much for sticking with me if you stayed to the end, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.